Hey, Daddy Jack's go with the blues. So, Glenn and I, a few weeks ago, we did a chicken vesuvio at a request for a recipe that's indigenous to Chicago. So I said, well, and then somebody commented on that I should have called it something else, Chicago something else. And I'm thinking, who's one of the most well-known figures in Chicago is Al Capone. So I said, we got to do a Chicago Capone pizza or Chicago Pizza Capone. I don't know. So I'm thinking, man, what's good? Like hot, spicy, hot-tempered, spicy. So we collaborated a little bit, and we got I said we're gonna come up with roasted, because if like a Chicago roast beef sandwich has got the that's after 3 o'clock, man. At the Hispanic station kicks in. Gotta move,
it's a little loud.
We should put a little bit of that's amore or something.
Yeah.
So anyway, so the Chicago roast beef sandwich, hot peppers and garlicky and oil and very spicy. So we're gonna do a pizza. We're gonna do a we're gonna do a red sauce.
I'm gonna do red sauce.
Red sauce. I'm gonna put some hot peppers, sopressata, soupy they call it in Westerly. Hot Italian, the Orsini's. Glenn and Paul is Orsini's hot, triple hot Italian sausage and onions.
Yep.
So let's see how that goes. They call that better known as the Agita Special. Yeah. Oh yeah. A little Parmigiani.
Yes. Then our cheese blend. I'm not going to go a lot.
Just real light on the cheese?
Yeah.
I kind of like pizza with a little less cheese, more
I do too.
Farm. Let's show that right off. There you go. Oh, jeez. Thank God, Glenn. A little peace and quiet there for that.
What kind of radio is that?
Oh, man. That thing's got 10 lives.
It really does.
I think that's a throwback from the Chaplin days. We brought it over here, and all the cheap stuff lasts forever. The good stuff breaks. They program it to break.
Sausage. Reach over here for the onions. I'm going to put those down before I do the peppers.
You got a little crushed red pepper?
I do.
I got some
right down below. If you want to use the crushed.
I've got some right there. Super Agita. Oh, we said pepperoni too, didn't we, B? A little bit of pepperoni?
Oh, we did.
Just a little bit.
I forgot when I put this.
No, that's okay.
Right.
Put it on the outside, maybe. Abundanza. Right, Glenn?
Oh,
What are you thinking? What are you thinking right about now?
I think we're gonna get out the tubs.
That's what I was thinking.
Milk of magnesia.
I won't be sleeping tonight. And red pepper.
Oh my goodness.
This is gonna be all you guys trying this. If I take
Wow, that smells great.
one bite of that, and I'll be up for 3 days.
Come on now.
All right, here we go.
Entree-vous. Yeah. What temperature are we rolling at right now, Pete?
Right now we're at about 500.
500? Just kind of coming up to speed. We lit it about 330.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
That looks and smells amazing. My crunchy hearing is not the vegetables, it's the crust.
Lucy, you want to try a piece? I'm gonna do this the safe way. Hey, don't forget these here. Feel loose.
I was gonna say the same thing. I always get trapped into trying this hot out of the oven. Burn my mouth one too many times. Oh wow, B,
It's
this
an
is phenomenal.
Al Capone special. Chicago.
How spicy are we thinking?
Oh, well, but
Not really. Flavorful.
Really nice. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I got a lot of the juice from the cherry pepper on there too.
Ooh. That's got a kick. It's really good.
Really? I don't think it's that hot.
That's a good one.
That's how we envisioned it.
Yeah.
Chicago Capone, Pizza Capone. Dad Jack's go with the booze. He knocked it out of the park. Glenn Peltier on camera. We're doing it, brother.
Killing it.
Paul Orsini. Peltier is not here today. Sausage Company, king and queen of the East Coast. You want to order some up special? What's the website?
OrsiniSausage.com.
OrsiniSausage.com. Is that Jack? Getting ready for Saturday night special tonight. Here you are, New London, Connecticut, Deepwater Port. Peace.